Hi, this is Vasu. I'm founder and CEO of MySmartHandyman. I was running a property management company a few years ago, and one Monday morning I went to work and found out 30 odd emails, lots of SMS messages, and lots of WhatsApp messages reported by the angry tenants on the maintenance issues. I worked the whole day through to 9 p.m. that day and then got exhausted. And then after 2 days, we just lost the plot and exactly what's happening on the issues. And then I looked into the market and found few apps available for the letting agents, but the problem with those ones, they still require a lot of manual intervention. And then there are few apps available for the homeowners and there are few apps available for the facilities management companies. But the problem with these apps is they work only for those individual sectors. But what I have found is we have a common is property and the people. So there should be one app available in the market which should work for everybody, but not just for few. And the recent tenants fee ban implemented by the UK government had reduced the letting agents' operational costs, who are now seeking to increase their revenue through the other channels and then cut down their operational costs. And our ESP and the innovation is a mobile app. It is an all-in-one, easy to use property maintenance and repair software, works for everybody, not just for few. And then our artificial intelligence enabled in the app means, hey handyman, boiler not working, hey handyman, lights in the kitchen not working, means app will log the issue and then take it through the automated workflow with minimum human intervention. Where there is a human, where there is a property built by human or a robot, our app should work. Our app is universal, which works in any country in the world. Our revenue through the subscriptions and then affiliations, and our app works as a marketplace. And we work with the local training institutions. Any qualified tradesman can join the app and then look for trade jobs. Our biggest revenue is going to be in the near future is through providing the smart tech services. As a human, we're getting addicted to the smart devices. We're bringing them to the homes and to the workplaces. So that's where our biggest revenue is going to be. We launched the app in February 2019 and we had a good run so far. Some of the agents using the app said they're saving about 40% of their valuable time. We're currently working on the artificial intelligence and data science to bring the property maintenance software into the 21st century. I'm seeking for 95k and then 80k is for the app development and then 15k is for the advertising and marketing with an exit strategy is to sell the app in about 7 years to 10 years. We have a great team behind the app and who have 20 years experience in the software development and the property management and the finance. These are our contact details if you wish to contact use one of these channels. App is now available for download, and MySmartHandyman is trademark registered to protect our business and our investment. Happy to take any questions. Thank you for listening.